Hello, this is Mike Lee from Herbin Ice Systems. Today is November the 7th, 2018. I'm here making a video to show you some flake ice evaporators we make this week. Herbin Ice Systems is the biggest and the most competitive supplier and manufacturer for flake ice evaporators. We make flake ice evaporators for most of the other Chinese ice machine companies. Here you can see three set of 3 ton per day seawater flake ice evaporators. Customer will collect them with their own refrigeration unit to complete seawater flake ice machine. They are made of 100% stainless steel 316 and they are perfect for working in marine condition. Completely anti-corrosive to seawater, sea wind. Behind the 3 ton per day, you can see the 10 ton per day freshwater flake ice evaporator. It works with the freshwater freon system. And here you can see 2 set of our 15 ton per day flake ice evaporators. They will work with the ammonia system. You can see the ammonia valves here. There are 4 inlets and 4 gas outlets. These are the ammonia valves, and you can there are 4 gas inlets, 4 gas outlets. Okay. Oh, behind we can see the 2 ton per day flake ice machine function. This is the 2 ton per day flake ice machine. You can see the ice comes out. I remember made a video for this machine yesterday. And we're still testing this machine. Normally we will keep testing one machine for 72 hours before we ship it out to our customer. So you can see the ice quality. The water is well frozen. Ice is dry with good cooling performance. Oh, I forgot our topic. Our topic is the evaporator. Okay, here you can see 3 20 ton per day flake ice evaporators inside the facility. 1, 2, 3. And we make all the flake ice evaporators here. Right here. You can see all kinds of components for making evaporators. The red one there is a 15 ton per day. We already put the top and the bottom, and then we're going to do the heat insulation. We put the reducer, water pump, everything, and it's complete. Here you can see my worker is doing a heat installation for a 15 ton per day flake ice evaporator. Oh, I remember we make many 15 ton per day flake ice evaporators in this month. Almost 20 sets. And here is the 20 ton per day flake ice evaporator. Almost ready for shipping. 6 gas inlet, 6 gas outlet. Okay, this is all I want to show you about our manufacturing ability of flake ice evaporators. Again, I wanted to say we are one of the biggest and most competitive flake ice evaporator supplier in China. It's a wide choice for you to buy the flake ice evaporators from us. Thank you for your time.